Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to show you guys how to make homemade browning. Here we go. First you're going to add some oil to the pot. You add a little bit of oil to the pot. Alright, now we're going to add our sugar. You want to use brown sugar. Just no more than a spoonful. You're going to start. Alright, and you continue to start. Alright, see, it's starting to come in. You're starting to smell that browning. So this is how you make a homemade brownie. Nice, starting to bubble up. A lot of times when you go to the store and you buy a brownie, it's so clumpy in the bottle, it doesn't pour out right, and it'll be bitter. So you continue to mix it in. So this brownie is going to be way better. The richness, the color, everything's going to come out sweeter. It's not going to be bitter like the one sometimes you get in the store. Then you add a little bit of water. Don't worry, all of it is going to be listed in the description. You add a little water to it. And boom, look at that. Homemade brownie. And then you just let it sit and cool.
Alright guys, so now we're going to have the browning cooling, and now we're going to be seasoning our oxtail. As you see here, we have some sweet pepper, onion, garlic, scallion, and then we have our seasoning here, a Jamaican all-purpose, our complete, some Himalaya salt, and some non-seasoned salt that we're going to mix together and put on our oxtail. So we're going to mix it up. As you see now, we're going to be starting turn the season on top. And this is the oxtail that we had in the previous video that we cut. So as you see here, we're going to put half of it on here to season, and we're going to mix it in together. And this is the oxtail that we had in our previous video that we cut. Alright. And now we're going to throw some of the onion and bell pepper in, half of it first. Alright. And this is a good marinade to have on your meat. So we just put it in. And see, our oxtail is cooked because we cut it by ourselves at home. They're thicker than if we had it in the store. So we're going to just mix it in, and we'll throw in the rest of the seasoning now. The onions. And then the seasoning. Yeah, it's strong. The garlic and the onions and everything. Right? And also when we started the video earlier, we made homemade browning, and we did it with sugar and oil. So it's sugar, oil, and water. So now we're gonna drizzle it on the top. So there's the browning when it's cool. Okay, there. Wait, before you throw it in so you can see it. Hey, you see the color? See, there we go. Our homemade browning that we made. So we're gonna drizzle it across our oxtail. So it's always good to have it on your oxtail so you can marinate and have it real good. And then also when we start cooking, we're gonna be also make some more browning as well. See, and it's coloring the meat. So we gotta massage this meat in. So there you go, and look at that. It smells so good. But you know, if you don't have time to have store-bought browning, make browning at home, you can buy store-bought browning. But to me, it's better sometimes to do stuff at home to have that more all-natural cooking. So we're gonna have this marinade for at least overnight, so we could have it cooked. Because the best thing to do when you cook oxtail is always have it overnight or for 24 hours, so you can at least have it really seasoned and make it salt properly on the meat. So basically, and then you have this here. You could pair it with rice and peas, white rice. Some people do it with dumpling, yam, green banana, boiled plantain, boiled cassava, boiled, that's, you know, provisions and everything with your meats. But that's what we have here, the oxtail that we had cut in our previous video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the subscribe button so you could get our latest update, and leave a comment and let us know what would you like us to do. And don't forget to share with your friends and family. And this is our oxtail that we made and seasoned with our homemade browning. All right guys, thank you for watching, and bye.